Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you this little fan. This is a little fan that's a spray bottle and a mister. Basically, it's a fan and a mister or just a spray bottle, whatever you want to use. Two AA batteries go in here. Here is the button to turn on the fan. There's the fan on, and when you spray, it creates a nice cool mist. Now the secret is to this is keeping fresh batteries in here is one of the secret. Also putting ice cold water and also some ice cubes in the chamber. You can see where the water is. That also helps keep it very, very cold in those hot days. This is made out of purple. Has a little handle right here. You can actually add your own lanyard. If you want to carry like a little carrying strap, you can do that. The blade is safe, so children doesn't get hurt. It's plastic, so it automatically stops for safety. You can see that. So doesn't hurt. The spray nozzle is on the bottom right there. You can see the spray nozzle right there. This is purple. It do come in different colors. Easy to hold, easy to spray. Now you can spray it with the fan or without the fan. Totally up to you. Convenient, powerful. In those hot days, you're going to need something like this. Honestly, this is a real lifesaver, especially at the games, watch the kids, baseball, softball. It doesn't really matter. When it's hot out, cool mist really makes a big difference. So definitely going to recommend this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more. And if you do go ahead and purchase this, I do get a small commission that costs you nothing, and I do appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, follow the channel for more. Thanks for watching.